Florida's alligators may be scary, but they have nothing on their cousins. The fearsome crocodile, which is more short-tempered, easily provoked, and aggressive towards anything that crosses its path. Of all the species in the world, the largest and most dangerous is the saltwater crocodile. These fearsome killers can grow up to 23 feet in length, weigh more than a ton, and are known to kill hundreds each year. Puffer fish, also known as blowfish, are located in tropical seas around the globe. Though they are the second most poisonous vertebrate on the planet after the golden arrow dart frog, they are arguably more dangerous as their neutronics, called tetrodotoxin, is found in the fish's skin, muscle tissues, liver, kidneys, and glands, all of which must be avoided when preparing a creature for human consumption. Cone snail, found in warm waters in the tropics. These beautiful creatures, instantly recognizable for their highly prized brown and white marble shell, can be seen in shallow waters deep closer to the shore, near coral reefs and rock formations and beneath sandy shores. But don't dare to touch it. These 4 to 6 inch long gastropods, they concave harpoon-like teeth, contain a complex venom known as conotoxin, making them one of the most venomous species of snail. Box jellyfish, often found floating or moving at speeds close to 5 miles per hour. In Indo-Pacific waters, these transparent, nearly invisible invertebrates are considered by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration as the most venomous marine animal in the world. Their namesake cubic frames contains up to 15 tentacles at the corners, with each growing as much as 10 feet long, all lined with thousands of sting cells known as nematocysts that contains toxin and simultaneously attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Blue-ringed octopuses, comprising the genus Hapalocleina, are 4 highly venomous species of octopus that are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. From Japan to Australia, they can be identified by their yellow skin and characteristic blue and black rings that change color dramatically when the animal is threatened. They eat small crustaceans, including crabs, hermit crabs, shrimps, and other small animals. The most scariest part is the antidote for this blue-ringed octopus is never invented.